Hey, we're back. Doing a little special one of these. Starting a new yearly series. Let's show off the haul. Series is improved, better than ever. Talking this time. Here we got the things. It's gonna be a special study with me edition. We gotta make this quick because I got a test I gotta do tomorrow. I probably should have planned this better. Instead of just being like, I'll do it. No real plan at all. I was just like, I don't want to cook dinner. And I thought, I was thinking a little bit about this. Better than ever to restart this series. But so good. That's what people are all about. We gotta show them the goods. Just classic, so well made American tradition. So my class is all about. I need that. Just the society of punishment, sociology of punishment. Excuse me. So we're talking all about how this stuff is able to happen. Like, who allows punishment? How so? So there's different questions like how are test subjects able to not freely consent to these practices, and it's made to seem like they are. I got this. This is a blank page. I got all these really good notes about different stuff. So one of the things is how anybody who watches this would be amazed, but we had this whole guest speaker come in talk about it's just terrible, but just about one of the things touched on was about in Liberia, what's happened there. These different camps. So she's actually we looked at her reading, and also what happened in Liberia. She works with the people there in these peace huts to help out the people who I'm just watching myself. It's funny. Tasty. Sorry, I didn't get any ketchup packages, so you gotta go. PC. So just how the country came industrialized through these different people, and they allowed the stuff arms sales, the exploitation of the poor people through the mine companies, and how it also kind of led to the destruction of the places, and people will say they're doing good if you compare, but it's really only the people at the top who come in and work with the foreign corporations. So they're bringing different to this interesting kind of approach of activism of these females. A lot of them just stood up against what was happening in the country. And they kind of showed hey, we're gonna make a change. We're not happy. So one of the things they did was these peace huts with people who have been attacked. It's this place to stand up against the people sorry, the piece that wasn't ready to like stand up, but like to do the work that like they help a lot of people who may have been affected by these like relations of like these foreign companies coming in, displacing them. Then the same women that like help stand up and protest. And they do a lot of like activism work. They helped like somewhere like in the U.S. election right now, they help like get people registered to like vote, get out to elections. Like people who really made like these like the old like rulers kind of like militaristic. Is another word that slips my mind. Mm-hmm. Like different foreign invaders. I mean, I'm explaining this really badly, but it's like I'm half invested in explaining, half like actually hungry. I mean, in general, like it's a really interesting class. Like, talks about how there's different ways like they sorry, shoot. Sorry, I have notes and stuff, but I just how it talks about how it helps to like kind of sanitize how we look at like how different like communities, societies will try to like sanitize their brutality. There's different ways they do it, like through like stuff like symbolic interactions and like making symbols. And stuff like how it's symbolically changed. Like you think like back in like medieval times, that's like in the history. That's when we were the most like violent, and we kind of been improving. But it's not always true. Like some of the most like outrageous acts have happened recently. And so it's just like how is that allowed? Like what are the forces that make that happen? I don't know. We're going back to the old stuff. I think that's gonna be it. May have to call it quits for today. Hope to see you guys next year. Check me out.